Leathertech 2025 is really an amazing fest, I can say. It's a really amazing organization, and under one roof, the way that everyone is together, the various stalls, various buyers, various customers, various companies, everyone's together, and it's really creating a bond among them, which is very helpful for our international business in Bangladesh. It helps us connect to the outer countries that are really developed. And in our company, UNITECH Corporation, we can assure very advanced and improved designing, cutting, sewing machines, which will help innovate the ideas of our sewing bags, leather products, shoes, many things. And in our new technology, we have ICAD software, which helps us design bags and shoes and anything in 3D designing technology, which really helps us visualize that how's the product going to be when we are creating it, or it helps us visualize the practical impact on the product or the design. It helps us innovate, and it really saves time. It's make the products precise. It helps us cut the cost behind the product. It helps us do it in a very less time, and we know that in our factory or in our leather industry, time is a very crucial factor. So when we can cut on the timing or the costings, it helps us, or it gives a really big impact on the technology or the work we're doing, the designs we're making. And about Leathertech 2025, I'd really like to say thank you so much for creating such an amazing opportunity for everyone to be together, to work together, and help us connect to the world so that we can enhance our technology and we can give our technology and products out to the world. Thank you very much.